And closing arguments in the subway chokehold trial. Lawyers for Daniel Penny trying to convince the jury he wanted to protect passengers and did not intend to kill Jordan Neely. Good evening to you. At 6 o'clock, I'm Liz Chow.
And I'm Bill Ritter. Lawyers for Daniel Penny argued today that the retired Marine put Neely in a chokehold to protect passengers.
Yeah, Penny is charged with manslaughter and criminally negligent homicide. Prosecutors claim Neely did not have to die in this incident. He was homeless and had a history of mental illness.
This is a case that has raised lots of questions about subway safety, mental illness, and race.
Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles is live at the courthouse in Lower Manhattan with our lead story tonight. Darla.
Liz and Bill, what is also very unique about this case is that the death of Jordan Neely is captured on cell phone video. There is no dispute about that throughout this whole 3-week trial. But what is at issue is whether or not that action was criminal or if it was just a medical crisis. In a case with no shortage of videos, no shortage of witnesses, the 12-person jury in the Daniel Penny involuntary manslaughter trial may find it no easier to reach a verdict in the case. Defense attorneys for Daniel Penny at bat first Monday morning with closing arguments, replaying portions of body cam video for jurors.
He was unbelievably off the charts. He scared the living daylights out of everyone.
The whole train was freaked out. He was either going to pull a gun, a knife, or
He said, I'm willing to die. I'm willing to die.
These frightened strap hangers is exactly why Penny's attorneys say the former Marine took off his headphones and stepped in to protect fellow passengers. For the first time, defense attorneys using the phrase civilian restraint to describe their client's actions, telling the court the only way they can prove homicide is through a chokehold death. Instead, defense attorneys say Neely died from a drug-induced medical crisis, saying it was unfortunate, it was tragic, but it was not foreseeable.
I just came up behind him and show him.
In their closing arguments, prosecutors also pointing to body cam video when Daniel Penny told police that he'd put Neely in a chokehold. After the 3-week trial with nearly 36 witnesses, the Manhattan DA's office painting a simplified picture for jurors Monday afternoon, saying, "We all know you need air to breathe. It's common sense, and that when you put your arm around someone's neck, that is a choke. That is not a civilian restraint." Also saying, as a Marine, Penny learned other techniques like a bear hug, sit on him, or a basic wrist takedown, in addition to a non-lethal chokehold. And that is really at the core of the case for the Manhattan DA's office. They say that Daniel Penny learned how to use a chokehold, but that with the case of Jordan Neely, he did it incorrectly and he held it way too long. That is what they used in their closing arguments today. This is taking quite some time to go through all of these nuances and details for the jury. Prosecutors will be back tomorrow morning to finish their closing arguments. Hopefully, the jury will get the case by tomorrow afternoon. Reporting live in Lower Manhattan, Darla Miles, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Darla, thank you.